Simple Cafe Sound. Illustrated tutorials, short and sweet.
Hey, cool. Looks like you're trying to use this cable to connect your speakers to your TV. Perfect. Sound is exactly what this cable is made for. You see, the red cable sends audio to the right side of your speaker system, while the white one sends it to the left side to create what's known as a stereo effect. But I already made a whole nother video talking about this, and you can check it out here if you'd like. Okay, back to the topic at hand. Alright, so you can't see it, but internally, both of these meet at the other end as one cable you already know as aux, which you've used plenty of times with your cell phone, but now you're going to see how you can use it with your TV. Well, that is if your TV can send audio out to external speakers, and let's hope so. I imagine that you did already see these ports on your TV, and that's good, but we have to make sure of the following. You see, the thing is that if a TV is going to have these RCA ports, they're most likely like this, labeled AV, and they're made to receive audio-video signals from things such as DVD players. So we have to avoid connectors like this marked in. Instead, we want to find ports marked out. As the name suggests, we can send audio signals out from the TV to external speakers. So let's do this. Look for red and white RCA ports labeled audio out, line out, or REC out. If found, you're all set. Just remember that the key here is out. To do what? Well, send our sound out to our external speaker system. Jump over to this part if you did find it, because now I'd like to take just a minute to speak to those who didn't find RCA out connectors. You see, there's still hope. You may still be able to do this if you found an aux port on your TV. Just like you would find an aux jack in your cell phone, another stereo system, or portable speaker. But just like we had to verify that RCA ports were marked out, we'll have to do the same with the aux plug. See that it's labeled aux line out, audio out, or even headphones, or just the icon. If it's labeled anything else, it's most likely there to send audio into your TV from something like a camera or a computer. But remember, we intend to do the opposite. Send audio from TV out to speakers. If you didn't find that plug either, there may still be another way. Just explore my channel since I have a few more answers for you, and here's one particular video with quite a few other options. So here's how we connect. If you found the RCA out plugs, plug them into your TV. If you found the aux plug, connect your aux there. And now our TV is ready. So on to our sound system. If you have a stereo system like these, you can skip over to this minute. If you have a single speaker which connects to power, it's going to be as simple as plugging your aux cable into it. That is, if it has one. If it doesn't, it's probably optical or Bluetooth only. But again, don't worry. My channel has your back. Here's a link to the digital optical video, and go find this one if your speaker is Bluetooth only. Did you connect your speaker with aux? Alright, then turn it on and play something on your TV. If you don't hear anything, turn your speaker up and select aux if necessary. If you still hear nothing, see that your TV's volume is also up, or perhaps you may need to go select external speakers in your TV's sound menus. Alright, now let's move on to playing your TV sound through your stereo or any receiver sound system. Okay, so you've got the aux side connected to your TV and the RCA plugs in your hand. Go over to your stereo and find RCA ports, in this case marked in. You may also see them labeled as DVD, cable satellite, or some other apparatus. Plug into literally any of them so long as it's not the one marked REC out. Once connected, go to the front of your amplifier to select the channel you just plugged into. For example, here I plugged into aux 1, so that's the channel I'll be selecting. To make your selection, find a turn wheel marked input or source, or your stereo could have a button per channel, or arrows to switch through like here. Okay, here we go. Play something with audio on your TV and turn up your TV and stereo. If sound's not coming through your external speakers, it may be because you need to tell your TV to send the audio to your external speakers. Look for that in the audio menus. Hopefully, mission accomplished, so you can have a richer experience. Share this with those friends who aren't taking full advantage of their sound systems on their TV sets. You want to help me make more videos? You actually can at buymeacoffee.com/simplecafe, or just scroll down a little bit next to the like button with the super thanks. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.